Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee, chef from the stables. I'm doing a spicy, crispy chicken leg, great for winters, snacks, before, after drinks. And there is a small amount of process that's involved around it. The first, we start with seasoning the chicken with some salt on both sides, red chili powder or paprika. This is Kashmiri red chilies. Doesn't have too much heat, but lovely color. I will also put some oil. While I do that, I'll also create some deep slices till the bone, so that once I cook, I reach inside. I want the marinade to go right till the bone. With this done, we just want to make sure we rub it nicely and then move on to make a marinade. We'll also sprinkle some lemon juice in this. For the next step, we've got to make a paste. I've already made the paste here. So this has onion, fenugreek, turmeric, red chili, coriander, as well as cumin. So I'm going to quickly transfer this to a bowl here. Now to put this together, we'll add some corn flour. And to make that extra crispiness, we'll add some rice flour. This will allow us to make sure that this sticks to the chicken as well as gives that extra crunch. 1 egg to this. With the egg, corn flour and rice flour done, we're going to put the chicken in this and make sure it goes in everywhere, and best to leave it in a refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. So we have this marinated for about 20 minutes, and I'm now going to put this into this really hot fire. Because the chicken is thick and really juicy, I am wanting to cover this while cooking, which will allow the chicken to really cook from inside. You will not have any blood oozing out from any part, and we'll check for that. But covering this will help us tenderize and cook the best part of the chicken, and we'll give it a crispiness a little later when we open the cup. I will be now turning this. As you can see, it's become nice and crispy on one side. We will now not cover it because I think we've given it enough heat. Every time you fry or grill meats, lamb, pork, chicken, it's good to rest the chicken or the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes before serving it. It allows the meat and the juices to settle down, and it becomes tender, moist again. I think our chicken is now done. I will go ahead and plate the fried chicken. So I have some sauteed thick onions with salt and red chili powder. I'll use that as my base. Roughly pull together some fresh lettuce. Like I said, we let this rest for a minute, minute and a half, and I'll sprinkle some lemon juice on this. So adding this lemon in the end will really help us, and I'll finish with a little bit of salt. Here, the fried, crispy, spicy chicken. Must try this, guys, and let us know how this comes out for you. We're gonna have fun on this one. Thank you so much. Cheers.